Introducing you to the all-new Vidyavaridhi International School app. The app features the school's unique logo and its name. It is available in Play Store as well. It is designed and built with competent, robust firmware and covers multiple dimensions, such as school bus tracking, searching nearby bus stops, find bus route, student attendance, report card, activities, and much more. We are also eager to customize this app for your school requirements. Let's look at them one by one. The app has four portals: the parent portal, the teacher portal, management portal, and the driver portal. Let's start with the parent portal. First, student has to provide the student's roll number provided from the school. Next, enter the password. By default, it might be date of birth. Next, enter the class. Click on Login. For the first time, it will ask for to enter a new password. Remember to set an unique and easy password. Then again login. By default, online classes and text class teachers have been locked. This will be opened on the school demands. The online class app demo will be put in the description below. Let's see all the features one by one. First, attendance. Here you will find the latest attendance date in which teacher has taken the attendance. And next, this is the status of today's attendance. Here, red indicates that it is absent on the day. Orange is leave. Circle with X in it is holiday. And the cement circle with no indication is attendance has not been taken. If you find a green symbol, then it means present. And here the consolidated summary of the class would be given here below. Next, coming into the activity section, this is where we put activities that have been conducted in our school. Here are multiple activities. For example, here the activity which was conducted in a school for Environmental Day. You can scroll down here, find the description and about short description about activity, date, and then photo summary. That's all about activity section. Next, coming into homework session. There are multiple homeworks which have been assigned here. This is just for example. It's the date and submission date and the teacher name, the subject, and one photo of what the homework is about, and here some text question that what teacher might want to give. This is just for example. I have not put the proper photos. And here is the exam section. In the exam section, you will find the test name, and here the subjects. First column is subjects. Next is second column is marks obtained, and third column is total marks. And finally, how much you have secured for how many marks total. That's all about the student portal. Next, coming into teacher portal. In the first page, teacher is supposed to enter the name and the password given to them by the school. Then once they click on add new student or login, they will be prompted to change their password. They can change the password, add new student. First time they are prompted to change the password. This is how you can add a new student. If you want to get a detail of a student, you can just click here, select the details of which student you want to get, press get, you'll get the student details. Get. Here you will find the student photo, name, father name, mother name, student roll number, phone number, fees, date of birth, bus driver and bus stop. If you want to set a new student, you can just change the roll number and then just click on submit. It will be registered as a new student. And because roll number is always unique for everyone, and then teachers can also change their password by here. Date of birth will be default password. Whenever the student loses his password, teacher can reset the password. And to import more students at once, teacher can go to add student from file, hello, and import a .csv file that we have provided you. Add student.csv file. That's about adding a new student. Next is about login. In the login page, we'll find attendance. Teacher can take attendance of the day. Though here teacher can edit the date here, but this will not be reflected in actual attendance. So teacher can take attendance. So attendance should be taken on the same day only, and no repeat modification is allowed on the same day. It means only once attendance can be taken per day. Here the first column consists of roll number and the second column names, and this is for status of attendance. By default, all the students are assumed to be present. You can list the absentees by clicking on absent checkbox or on leave applied student for clicking on leave applied. And finally you can get the consolidated how many absentees and leave applied. Here it will be displayed. If the particular day was on holiday, you can just click on holiday and then click on submit. Now let's look into activity session. This is the activity session. As you can see here, there are multiple activities that have been posted. This is about environmental day. Here you can see a photo of environmental day and description about the photo and what the activity is about in short description. And this is briefly about the activity. That's all. Now let me show you how to create an activity. Press on this button here. First you have to give a name for the activity. For example, Kannada Rajyotsava. Okay, then edit the date first and a photo. I'll add a photo of activity. I'll select this photo. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ರವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಾವುಟವನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. Okay, short description about the activity. Now let me show you how we can easily take text from other document and paste it over here. Opening Chrome. Okay, I have something about Karnataka. this text is selectable. In case if it is not selectable, then I can just take a screenshot and then go to lens, gallery. Okay. Now I can just select the text, copy text. From photo I got the text. I'll just paste it over here. It's too much, I'll just delete some. Okay, this must be fine. And about some detailed description. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣರಾದ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಲುಪುರೋಹಿತ ಎಂದೇ ಹೆಸರಾದ ಆಲೂರು ವೆಂಕಟರಾವ್ ಅವರು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಚಳುವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವವೇ 1905ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದೊರೆತು ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವಾದ ನಂತರ ಭಾಷೆಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ 1956ರ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಿದರು. ಅದರಂತೆ ಮದ್ರಾಸ್, ಮುಂಬೈ ಮತ್ತು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯದ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ವಿಲೀನಗೊಂಡು ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಉದಯವಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು 3 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಅವುಗಳೆಂದರೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಹಳೆಯ ಮೈಸೂರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಲೆನಾಡು. That's all. I have a detailed description. Then I'll click on add this activity. Please make a note not to click on add activity twice because it would be added twice. This bug will be corrected in our next release. And now this is how the activity will be displayed. And next, coming on to online classes, it will be I'll show the demo of online classes in the description box below. I'll put the link into it. And here is messaging portal where you can message for management. In the message portal you can type text and then you can also add photos of any activities or anything and click on add button and wait till it loads. Now it has been loaded. Just click on send. The message will be sent. That's about messaging. Next is homework section. First you have to select the class. Next you can select the subject in that class, what you take. I'll take 10th standard and subject is English. I'll get whatever the homework I have given in that class for that subject homeworks. Here it will be similarly, you can just delete a homework by dragging over here and just click on remove homework. Homework will be removed. Teacher can also delete or cancel it. Cancel the delete. And this for just for example I have put some other pictures. And to set a new homework, click on submission date. Select the submission date on which date you have to submit. Click OK. Assign on this on what date it has been assigned. Here click a photo on attach any of the photo you want to put, and then next enter the body of the homework, means any text related to the homework. Text. Once you get upload completed, your upload bar will show status. Then click on submit. This will be submitted. If you want to see all the homeworks, you can come here and you can see all the homeworks that has been given to students, not just yours, from other classes, other subjects, etc. And finally, coming to exam section, you can just select an .exam.csv file that what we have given to you and upload the marks in an Excel sheet, and click on import CSV. Here I am put as marksheet.csv. You can select that and then it will be uploaded. That's all about teachers portal. Now next, coming into management portal, for credential given by us, then login. Here they have given options to message teachers, message parent, and an option to add or remove teachers. You can add a teacher. If you want to get the details about a teacher, select the teacher name, give get, you'll find name, class, password will not be shown to you, or in case teacher has forgotten the password, you can reset the password, phone number, email ID, class, and what subject they are going to take. You can remove a teacher, you can add a teacher by changing their name, and you can also add teacher from using an import teacher.csv file. Import and then add teacher.csv file and then import the teacher. Or you can also remove a teacher by just selecting teacher name, remove, and you can see teacher is not there here. That's about adding or removing a teacher. And finally, let's see about next is driver portal. In driver portal, first is add trip. In add trip, driver can start the trip. Once he start, the location will be updated, and then he can choose to add stop. See, when he reaches the stop, he will add the stop, and the next stop somewhere here it will come, next here. Okay, similarly his route will be added. I'll just add one more stop somewhere in far distance. As I am traveling, I am going away. Okay, bus came from here, and these are the stops, and finally he will end the trip. This is done only once. It's the first time they have to do this to set the route, and every day they have to come here and click on start trip, and you see bus is moving away. Live location will be shared until driver press on end trip. And finally, last is about school. When you click here, you'll be redirected to the school web page. School gallery, school photos, everything will be uploaded here. Contact directions. And this is about our software developer.